Hey guys, it's been a super busy week back at work, so I haven't been able to go to the pottery studio much, but hopefully I'll get to go today. But also another reason why it's been very manic is we've adopted a little 8-week kitten and we're trying to slowly introduce it to our cat Luna. His name is Tuco. Today is his second day home. He comes out to play when I'm in the room. When we're not in the room, I feel like he's hiding in the corners, or I don't know. Usually whenever I go in at the beginning, I don't see him. So, and then he sort of comes out after a while. But yes, he's been using the litter box, he's been eating, drinking, playing a lot and exploring. So that seems to be going really well. Introduction wise, our cat has been very curious. We tried to separate them. She did manage to run into the room once. They were fairly calm. There was a little bit of hissing, growling at one point, and then we managed to get her back out again. But otherwise, to be honest, she's fairly calm, which is really good. So we're going to do a lot more scent swapping today. Maybe change their beddings around, and hopefully, as he's a kitten, hopefully that will sort of wake her maternal instinct and they'll get used to each other fairly quickly. Let's hope so. At the moment, he's eating about half a pouch every time. But yes, let's go and give him his breakfast. Come. Food. Hi guys, we are back from the pottery studio. Oh, it was so sunny and warm today. Yeah, I couldn't believe it, but it was very nice. I had some nice lunch, had a coffee, did with my cinnamon bun that I bought from that bakery I have now. Delicious, isn't it? This is what I smell all the time. So yes, well, I've got a few fired pieces back. And yeah, I really like this one is like the black clay on the outside, so it's quite a rough texture. And then I've got like a greenish clay on the inside. So I really like this one. It is quite rough. I might sand it down a little bit, but in a way that kind of adds uniqueness to it. The same with this one. This is the same clay, like the black clay, but inside is like a whitish color. You can see. This one I really love. This one is a clay combination that I did. It's like a black clay on the inside. Outside was also black, and then I've had a second layer of a different kind of blushy kind of glaze on the outside, which I really, really like the effect of it. And then the same thing I did with this one. So it's sort of that the inside. I really like the sort of flaws on it, to be honest. I feel like it makes it unique. So even though these two are the same clays, they still look more unique to each other, which I really like. And then last but not least, we've got this one. Honestly, I don't remember what clays combination this is. Yeah, I'm trying to remember. I have no idea. So it sort of turned out purplish with some sort of bluish speckles. So I know there's some sort of blue in there. Maybe sort of like the midnight blue and then the blush on top, maybe. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I like it. It's very purple. Yeah, I mean, it has something, but I just don't think that's my style. I kind of like the ones where the blue shows a little bit more than just the solid purple. Yeah, I mean, I don't remember anyways what I did here, so I don't think I would want to do that again. Hello, Luna. Did you enjoy your treat? Yes. Anyways, I'm going to enjoy my cinnamon bun and yeah, rest for the rest of the day. Hey guys, I've been doing a lot of pottery lately, so it's time to do some of the illustrations because I've been really neglecting that lately. It's just been just didn't have enough time. Anyways, as I said in a previous vlog, I can't remember which one, I'm working on an illustrated cookbook with a friend. She's doing all the recipes and I'm doing the illustrations. So yes, I'm going to continue to do that. Okay, we are done with this one. Let me show it to you guys. Tuco, this kitten is full of energy. I'm telling you guys, I've already played with him like for half an hour before this. Yet, he's just all over the place, attacking my feet, everything. Just, no words, no words. This kitten is relentless. Anyways, this one is done. I'm going to upload that on our Google Drive, and then, sorry, I have to like one hand and play with this one, otherwise, yeah. Anyways, what was I saying? oh yes, upload this on Google Drive and then on to the next one. The next one I've got is Tuco Salamanca. The next one I've got is, I was doing some, trying to find it. Is it on here? Okay, please don't attack my dress. It's this fabric rips very easily. Can't even concentrate with this one. Anyways, what was I saying? Oh yes, I was somewhere. I've started an illustration of Tuco, of what? Of sorry, different spices. So yes, here it is. So the idea is that we are going to divide the chapters by countries, and then I'm going to do like typical spices for each country. Typical spices for each country. So I've already sketched out. Sorry, guys. He's just ruining my dress and my feet. My arm hurts. I can't multitask. What do I do? Here you go. Please, can you entertain yourself for 2 minutes? Well, I showed this 2 seconds, Tuco. So, you can't see this on here, can you? Maybe. Let me turn the camera around. Hold on. Here we go. So, I'm Tuco. I've sketched like the different spices. Ow! That are typical for the country that we're doing. So we've got like ginger, galangal, chili, different types of herbs. Yeah, so I'm going to paint this, color it in, and then this is going to be like one of the intro pages for the country. What a troublemaker, huh? Are you a troublemaker? Yes, you are. He is annoying the hell out of our other cat. They're still not getting along. They're still hissing. I mean, there's a little bit of progress, but he's just so relentless. He's just trying to follow her everywhere, and she's just not having it. I think he's finally tired and went for a nap. So let's make use of this peaceful moment to do as many of the illustrations as possible before he wakes up again. What happened here? Okay. Yeah, before he wakes up again. Because he's going to want to play once more. Adding some shadow in, some depth. I don't know if you can see it very well on the camera. These are kaffir lime leaves.